Hello everyone, I'm Peter. Today I'm going to unbox a new smartwatch. It is the DT93. Okay, let's go. Firstly, let's see the box. It is the plain white solid box. Now let's open the box. Firstly, we see a watch. And then is a silicone strap and a magnetic charger and a menu. Now let's see the watch and the strap. So it is a curved screen in both sides. Then let's put on the strap. The strap size is 20 millimeter. You can see the two buttons are colorful. And the back is also very beautiful. The watch size is around 46 millimeter in the length and 38 millimeter in the width. And we can compare the EVO W26. It is a little longer than the EVO W26, but the width is similar. Now let's power on the watch. Firstly, we see a language list. And the press list button is the sports mode. It has 7 sport mode. And then here is the main menu. It is the 9 apps view. This watch has a 1.78 inch infinity screen. And from the left to the right is the sports data and heart rate, sleep monitor, and weather. And from the top to the bottom, we can see some quick actions such as do not disturb and the power saving mode and the audio mode and the brightness. We can just move the screen to adjust the brightness and then setting, find the phone, and also the about, and then power off. Then from the bottom to the top is the message notification. Then let's check those functions. It has call logs and frequent contact, and the dialer, also Bluetooth music. And this watch can store music file directly. Then the sports mode and the sports data, sports record, heart rate, and the blood pressure, then blood oxygen, and ECG. Then it is the sleep monitor, alarm clock, stopwatch, and the timer. You can choose to count the time directly. And also message reminder, find the phone, and then setting. The display dial switch. It has 6 watch faces, but it can customize watch faces through the app. You can see the maximum screen time is only 9 seconds. So the screen will turn off very quickly if you do not touch the screen. And you can see when you touch the screen will power on. Let's have a try. Okay, so this is a very good function. And then vibration intensity, you can also adjust the time. And then is the menu style, QR code, battery. You can change to the list menu. And now this is the list menu. This menu is same as the DTX Smartwatch. Then system is about, reset and shutdown. So above is all our details today. We will connect the smartwatch with the phone and app, and also test some other functions. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.